Time is your most valuable asset. It is limited and irreplaceable. We all get the same 24 hours each day, yet some people achieve amazing things, while others struggle to get things done. The difference? Time management. Time management is about using your time wisely. It means planning your day and, sticking to your schedule. When you manage your time, you reduce stress, you accomplish more, and you achieve your goals faster. Time management is essential for everyone. It doesn't matter if you are a student, a professional, or a stay-at-home parent. Everyone can benefit from mastering this skill. Taking control of your time puts you in the driver's seat of your life. Having clear priorities is key to effective time management. You can't do everything at once. Start by identifying your most important tasks. These are the tasks that will make the biggest impact on your goals. Focus on your priorities, even when things get busy. It's easy to get caught up in urgent but unimportant tasks. Learn to say no to distractions. Stay focused on what truly matters. Prioritizing your work leads to greater productivity. You achieve better results in less time. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment, and honestly, this motivates you to keep going. Several powerful techniques can revolutionize your time management. The Eisenhower Matrix helps you categorize tasks by urgency and importance. This allows you to focus on what truly matters. Time blocking involves scheduling specific blocks of time for particular tasks. It brings structure to your day and eliminates wasted time. The Pomodoro Technique uses a timer to break work into intervals. This enhances focus and prevents burnout. Experiment with these techniques to find what works best for you. The key is to be consistent. The more you practice, the better you will become at managing your time. Start by setting clear, specific goals. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Write down your tasks in a to-do list. Prioritize these tasks based on their importance. Use a planner or calendar to schedule your day. Allocate specific time slots for each task. Be realistic about what you can accomplish in a day. Review your progress regularly and adjust your schedule as needed. Avoid common time management mistakes. Procrastination is a major productivity killer. Learn to eat that frog. By tackling your most challenging task first thing in the morning, avoid multitasking as it reduces focus and increases errors. Here's a simple example of a productive daily routine. In the morning, wake up early, review your goals, tackle your most important task, eat that frog, exercise, and have a healthy breakfast. During the day, focus on your prioritized to-do list. Take short breaks, minimize distractions, and stay hydrated. In the evening, review your day, plan for tomorrow, wind down with a relaxing activity, and get a good night's sleep. Remember, effective time and priority management is a journey, not a destination. Embrace these techniques and adapt them to your life. You will unlock your full potential and create a life of purpose and achievement.